A blizzard warning is in effect. The snow has already started at 5 a.m. here in Kansas City. A foot of snow is possible. Take a look at this. It started as snow, changed from sleet to snow at 5 in the morning, and is a heavy band, and it is not going to stop, and the wind is going to blow later today. A blizzard warning is in effect. Look at it come down. This is I-70 coming through downtown Kansas City. Everything's being coated in snow, and you can see it is really coming down. You can see the heavy precipitation increasing and developing and moving in to the Kansas City area. Blizzard warning.